Admission, admission, admission. The Federal University Gusau School of Postgraduate Studies wishes to inform the general public that online applications are invited from qualified candidates for postgraduate programs in various disciplines for the 2025-2026 academic session. Under Faculty of Education, the following courses are M.Ed. Educational Management, M.Ed. Educational Psychology, MSc Ed. Mathematics, MSc Ed. Science Education, M.Ed. Guidance and Counseling, M.Ed. Research Measurement and Evaluation, M.Ed. Sociology of Education, PGDE, PhD. Research Measurement and Evaluation, PhD. Ed. Mathematics, PhD. Educational Management, PhD. Educational Psychology, PhD. Guidance and Counseling, PhD. Science Education, PhD. Sociology of Education, Faculty of Humanities, MA. Arabic Language, MA. Arabic Literature, PhD. Arabic Language, PhD. Arabic Literature, MA. Islamic Studies, PhD. Islamic Studies, MA. History and International Studies, PhD. History and International Studies, MA. Hausa Studies, MA. English Language, PhD. English Language, Faculty of Science, MSc Biochemistry, MSc Chemistry, MSc Mathematics, MSc Microbiology, MSc Plant Science and Biotechnology, MSc Zoology, MSc Physics, PGD Biochemistry, PGD Biological Science, PGD Computer Science, PGD Microbiology, PhD Chemistry, PhD Mathematics, PhD Microbiology, PhD Plant Science and Biotechnology, PhD Physics, PhD Zoology, Faculty of Management and Social Sciences, MSc Business Administration, MSc Economics, MSc Political Science, MSc Public Administration, MSc Accounting and Finance, MSc Sociology, MBA Business Administration, Masters International Politics and Diplomacy, Masters in Public Administration, PGD Public Administration, PGD Accounting and Finance, PGD Business Administration, PhD Business Administration, PhD Sociology. Meanwhile, application is 15,000 naira only and non-refundable. You can also visit our website pgs.fugusau.edu.ng for application guideline. For inquiry, you call the following number 080-345-31175. You can log on pgsupport@fugusau.edu.ng. Signed, Abdul Karim H. Abdul Karim, Secretary, SPGS.